So she took a rock right under through here. Kaboom! Oh, it's a beautiful day, warm and sunny. The birds are singing. Oh, everything is wonderful. What the heck? This is a project. This is Deb's O2 Malibu. She hit a rock. Are you enjoying my beautiful brand new car hoist? We were venturing out to a piece of property we have about 40 miles away. In the middle of the road, what appeared to be a brown paper bag sitting on the road. And when she got within 3 or 4 feet, we realized it was a rock. So she took a rock right under through here. Kaboom! I thought it was going to blow the bags in there. We hit it so hard. The rock she hit went right through here. And on its way through, it broke off the first bolt on the tranny pan, gouged the pan really deep. It's only about an inch deep, but it's really deep. And bent over the very next bolt down the pan. Here's where the rock came through, right through there. The bolt right here is the one that was sheared off completely, right flush to the transmission. The next bolt back here, this is the one that was kind of bent over. I could get that one out, but I couldn't get this bolt out. When this one bent over, the little aluminum boss that makes more strength around the screw hole, that cracked out. So I took this whole pan in the shop, my shop, yeah, you've seen my shop, and did my best body work job on it as best I could. And then I looked to see if everything was flat and straight by laying it on a nice hard piece of flat plywood. Since the bolt doesn't come out here, there's no way of fastening that pan back down, so I manufactured these clamps. Took a lot of thinking and a little bit of doing and about 3 or 4 failures. There's a clamp like that over there, and there's a clamp over here where that other bolt busted out the side of the transmission. It's looking good so far.